Welcome back to English Like Jagger. Ready to test your B1-B2 grammar skills? We've got 30 fun questions to challenge you. Let's see how many you can get right. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes and English practice. Ready? Let's get started. She hasn't finished her homework yet. They went to London last summer. If I were you, I would apologize. He used to go to the gym every day, but now he doesn't. By the time we arrived, they had finished eating. You mustn't smoke in here. It's a non-smoking area. I didn't hear the phone because I was sleeping. He's interested in learning new languages. She hasn't been to Paris before. He asked me where I had gone the previous week. Could you mind opening the window? They don't have to get up early tomorrow because it's a holiday. This time next week, we will be lying on the beach. I wish I had more time to finish this project. If you had called me, I would have picked you up. The book written by J.K. Rowling is very popular. I'm looking forward to my vacation. He hasn't seen her since last week. How long have you been studying English? The project will be finished by the end of the week. You can't leave until the meeting is over. It's important that everyone arrive on time. They have been waiting at the airport for 3 hours already. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. We have lived in this house for 5 years. He's the man who I met at the conference. I saw the movie when I was on vacation. This time tomorrow, I will be flying to New York. He will have finished the report before the deadline. The restaurant had closed by the time we got there. Great job! How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell for more fun quizzes. Thanks for playing, and see you in the next video.